In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset FTMO account. The process really depends on which type of FTMO account you're using, so I'll walk you through each one clearly and explain what's possible and what isn't. Let's start with the free trial, which is a demo account. This is the only one that you can reset easily. To do it, log in to your FTMO client area. Once you're in, find the free trial section. There, you'll see an option to delete or end your current trial. Click that to close it out. After it's deleted, you can immediately start a new free trial from the same area. FTMO allows only one active trial at a time, so if you already have one running, you won't be able to create another until you end the current one or wait for it to expire. A quick tip here. If you're tracking performance or settings, consider saving your notes before you delete, since a new trial starts fresh. Also, if the button wording looks slightly different, just look for the option that ends the current trial and then create a new one. Now, if you're on an FTMO challenge, which is a paid account, the rules are different. You cannot reset a challenge for free. You have two paths. The first is to buy a new challenge and start again from scratch, which means paying for a new attempt. The second is a free retake, but that's only available if you meet FTMO's eligibility criteria. To qualify for a free retake, you must finish the evaluation period without breaking any rules, and your account must end in profit, even if it's just a small, positive result. If you violate any of the rules during the challenge, there's no reset and no free retry. To protect your eligibility, keep a close eye on daily loss limits, overall drawdown, and trading objectives, and make sure your final balance is above the starting balance. Finally, for a funded FTMO account, there is no reset option. If you violate the trading rules, including drawdown limits, the account is terminated. At that point, the only way forward is to start a new evaluation by purchasing another challenge and working your way back to funded status. This makes disciplined risk management and consistent rule compliance absolutely essential once you're funded. To recap, free trials can be ended and restarted from your client area. Challenges can't be reset for free, but may qualify for a free retake if you finish in profit without breaking rules. And funded accounts cannot be reset at all. Stay within the rules, manage risk carefully, and use the free trial to practice before committing to a paid evaluation.